You are about to enter a restricted area. The guard up ahead will try to arrest you if he spots you, so keep low and try to slip past. When you are in cover, it is harder for your enemies to spot you. Items found in the world can be used as close combat weapons, or you can use them to distract your enemies. Excellent. Slip past while the guard is distracted.
Doing there? Hold your hands where I can see them. I know it's the client's call, but that doesn't mean I have to like it. Calling in personnel from local outfits, we barely have time to do proper...
Holster your weapon.
I tell you, something must have gotten her spooked. You're the head of security if you don't know who does.
Agent 47's training and supreme senses allow him to keenly perceive his surroundings. Distraction, steady aim, or fiber wire, the choice is yours. Subdue or kill, the choice is yours. Either way, he won't be waking up anytime soon.
25 years of combat. You think you're immune and bang. Look at you. Straight out of the blue. Is he even fit for field duty?
Hey, don't even think about it.
Wait and listen to the people around you. They may give vital information or simply let you know when the coast is clear.
My wife's the state champion in gossip. It's only a matter of time. Not that I don't appreciate your concern. Mark my words, kid. You should get out of soldiering.
Use instinct or consult the radar to locate the exit.
This travel agency only has 2 destinations. Death and depression.
Use instinct to anticipate enemy movement.
Looks like the chef's cooking up a storm.
I tell you.
The guard is headed for the railing and will not reach you.
But at least the service is good.
The greenhouse up ahead will require a disguise to infiltrate unnoticed. Look for a disguise. You are disguised as a gardener. In this disguise, you are allowed to be in the greenhouse area. Be mindful to trick the gardener.
I know that guy.
You slip past unnoticed. In doing so, you expended instinct. You will regain instinct by completing objectives, performing silent takedowns, assassinating your targets, or finding clever ways to bypass your enemies.
Friends coming over? Bit odd, don't you think?
I don't know. Maybe.
Kid's sweet. Don't get me wrong. But something's definitely off.
Sorry, pal, new rules. This area is off limits unless you're security or guests of Miss Burnwood.
What?
Perfect. Just perfect. I'm gonna kill these maintenance clowns.
The guards have been dealt with. Doing so, you regain some instinct.
Come on. Let's check out the boats.
The guards are preoccupied. You can kill them or sneak past. The choice is yours.
Like that.
Settle happily.
Leaving people alive is cleaner, but might complicate your effort to remain undetected. Yet this is the mark of the silent assassin, to leave the world around him unaware and...
Infiltrate the mansion and terminate Diana Burnwood. And Victoria, bring her in, unharmed. She is very dear to me.
What?
And the agency.
Wait, are you sure? It's not prostate cancer. I could kiss you. I mean, that's great news. Oh, man, you made my day. Yeah, thanks, Doc. Yeah. I thought I was a goner. Yeah. Doc, I gotta run. Duty calls. And thank you so much. You have a nice day, too. Yeah, bye. Woo! Man, no one can piss on this day.
You are now inside the mansion. Your current disguise will be suspicious to the mansion guards. Either find a new disguise or try to remain undetected.
Hey, you know the client doesn't want smoking around the house. Come on, what's the matter with you? You're a soldier, for Christ's sake. Your body is a temple.
You have activated a checkpoint. If you die or if you choose to restart, you will start at this location. Throughout the game, you will find evidence. Removing the evidence will award you rating points and instinct. The Mansion Guard disguise gives you full access to the mansion interior. Be mindful that other Mansion Guards see through your disguise if you come too close, so keep a safe distance. Beyond this door, the rating system will be turned on. It will monitor your playstyle and reward your progress. You can see it in the top left corner. As always, how you handle your assignment is entirely up to you. Good luck.
Sounds like a team briefing in the living room. Better haul ass.
Use instinct to locate objects of interest.
Listen up. For those of you who do not know the drill, I will personally appoint a close projection host for each client in a 6-hour shift cycle. You will not, I repeat, not leave your VIP side for any reason during your shift. Any breach of procedure will result in immediate termination and subsequent black.
Come on. Eat my lips.
This recipe is a trade secret handed down from master to apprentice for centuries. I will take the secret ingredient with me to the grave.
Uh-huh. Is it salt?
No. No! What do you take me for? Salt? Please! I am one of the finest chefs in this culinary wasteland, Euculination. You put liquid butter on your popcorn, and you have the nerve to make assumptions about my award-winning recipes. Salt! Shame on you, sir. Shame! Now go on. Get out of here!
All right, relax. Was only asking. Christ, don't have a heart attack.
Out, I say! Go guard a gate! We're shooting some beer cans, you big ape.
I don't care. Order one of those mobile restrooms to put in the gardens. I will not risk infiltration by allowing anyone into the mansion that has not been directly approved by myself or by my close staff.
Hi there. How you doing?
Yes, you can be here. Search the cupboard for terrorists.
What's that guy's unit doing here?
She's a cloak and dagger kind of hero, that's for sure. Also, my story last cup one fit. Stay sharp, man. I have urgent business with gate security.
We had some skull and bones logo in the words, Mercis Letifer.
Mercis. Lethal trade? Wait, you don't mean... I thought they were just a legend.
You know what they say about the devil?
Turning on a radio can create a distraction.
Perhaps. I need to sit. Just for a moment. No one's gonna know.
The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body and still has room for you to hide.
Yes, you can be here. Search the cupboards for terrorists or whatever it is you do. Just don't bother me.
If your score is high enough, you will unlock an assassin technique. Open the notebook to see your next unlock.
Nice view. Notice that.
'Closing in on target.
Well done, 47. Now remember, Diana brought this on herself. She betrayed us, the agency, the code, everything we stand for. She is too dangerous to be left alive. Think about that when you pull the trigger. Wait. 47? Report, 47.
I should kill you. Why did you do this?
47! Damn it, what's wrong with this thing?
We all have our limits, even you, 47. We used to have honor.
Diana,
No. I had to take her away from the doctors. I knew you would understand.
Fuck. Something's not right.
you won't last long.
There's no time.
You still have a chance.
In my robe. A letter. Now go. Take the girl and run. Before Travis finds out. Please, do not let her turn into you. Promise me.
I promise.
Running is noisy and makes it easier for your enemies to spot you. Agent 47 can deal with enemies swiftly and with great precision. Note that while you are focusing on your targets, you expend instinct rapidly. Turn the camera to focus on your enemy, then lock the shot. Fatal damage. Focus on the next enemy. All Your current weapon is unsilenced and might alert your enemies. Consider using your silenced silver baller pistols.
You know who I am.
I know. She's dead, isn't she?
Come on, stay close to me.
Where are we going?
Get in. It's done.
Excellent work, 47. Bring the girl to the extraction point.
What are you doing?
Why did the agency want you?
I don't know. I guess I might have...
Diana did this for you. Why?
Please, she was my only friend. She took me away from the doctors.
Tell me about the doctors.
It's really blurry. Like, really bad dream. Why?
We need to go.
Sir, there's nobody here. I think the asset has gone AWOL.
God damn it! I was afraid it couldn't do it. I want every agent on this. You hear me, Jade? Locate 47 before he slips between the cracks.